It is called Implementing an Effective Enterprise Risk Management Framework. It's a 2-day course. It's 2.5 hours each day. It's 5 hours in total. It's fully virtual. And it's an intensive course. So you will get a lot of information and you will get a lot of material. And that course is geared towards risk practitioners, internal auditors, and business managers who are looking to build useful risk registers and implement ERM in their organization. The course covers key aspects of the ERM process and implementation. So it will involve risk assessments, risk reporting, and follow-up. And it will be based on the COSO framework. And what you see on the screen is the agenda or course outline. So it's 5 modules. And the first module is a framework for ERM. So we'll talk about what ERM is. And when you hear the term enterprise, it's really the organization as a whole, the whole organization. And we'll talk specifically about the COSO framework. Then we will go into steps in the ERM process. So we'll talk about the different business units of your organization. What are the objectives of your organization? We'll talk about key events. We will go through the process of starting to build a risk register. We will identify causes and effects of risk. And we'll talk about risk appetite and risk tolerance. Then we'll go into some additional steps in the ERM process. So we'll talk about risk response. We'll talk about likelihood and impact. We'll talk about controls. We will talk about roles and responsibilities and identifying risk owners. Then we will talk about monitoring the ERM process, so continuously reviewing the process and updating it. And then we will talk about reporting and how to capture information and report it so your organization can use that information to make good decisions. And the price of that course is $1,100. And if you want more information on that course, you can either contact me or you can go to my website.